In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. Now, this is pretty easy, but let me show you here what you need to do. So first you want to open up Facebook and then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to this window here where you'll see all your shortcuts and some settings. Now from here you want to go ahead and click on the settings cog in the top right hand corner, and that will bring up some settings here. Now the first thing we want to click on is the Meta Account Center. It should be the first one, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, you then want to click on your profiles, and from here you can go ahead and click on your Facebook profile. So you can see here I've got Bradley Harrison, Facebook and Instagram. So if I go ahead and click on that, we can now go to my name. Now before we do that, if my Facebook and Instagram is connected, I may want to click on my Instagram and just uncheck this so it's not syncing my Instagram with my Facebook. And vice versa, like I might want to unsync my Facebook from Instagram, so when I make this name change update, it's not going to change my name on Instagram. So now once I've unsynced my account, I now want to go to name, and if you go to name, you'll be able to see your current first and last name. You can go ahead and change that, but once you've changed it, you can't change it again for another 60 days. So change it, then once you've changed it, click review change, accept those changes, and that's basically how you can change your name on Facebook on the Facebook app.